In this video we will cover how to use the Gang Sheet Builder on the Polychrome Studio's website. Use the top menu to navigate to the DTF Gang Sheet Builder. You can scroll down to read more information about the builder and our DTF transfers, but we are going to focus on how to use the builder itself. To open the Gang Sheet Builder, you will simply click on the Build a Gang Sheet button. There is no need to change the selected size, as it will automatically size the sheet to perfectly fit your images. 12" by 12" is the minimum order size. Next, click Start a brand new Gang Sheet. On the left side of the screen, click Upload Images and select the images you want to add to your Gang Sheet. You can select multiple by holding down the Control key on your keyboard. Next, near the bottom of the page, click the Auto Build button. The Auto Build feature allows you to resize and change the quantity of each image on your Gang Sheet. If the colored block changes to red, that means your image resolution is too low for the selected size and will likely result in blurry or pixelated prints. A green or yellow block means your image is optimal or good resolution for the selected size and should print clearly. Red or black means the image is under 250 dpi and will not print clearly. After adding and resizing your images and ensuring the quality is green or yellow, click Apply to save the Gang Sheet. You will see that the price, top right, and gang size, top left, automatically adjust to fit the size of your Gang Sheet. A resolution color guide here corresponds with the colored outline of each image on the Gang preview. Once you are done editing, click the Save and Add to Cart button at the top. A confirmation window will appear. Here you can name the Gang Sheet and see any warnings like overlapping images, low resolution, or images overhanging the max print width of 12 inches. If any of these have a red check mark, you will need to go back and edit the Gang Sheet. If all check marks are green, click Checkout. You can override a red check by clicking Print Anyway. Note: we are not responsible for low-resolution prints and will not refund or reprint your sheets. After clicking Checkout, you will be directed to the shopping cart. Here you can confirm the price, quantity, and length of your Gang Sheet. You can also preview and edit your sheets from the cart. If you would like to add additional Gang Sheets, use the main menu to start the process again. If you have any questions or trouble using the Gang Sheet Builder, please reach out using the phone number or email address on the screen, or by using the Contact Us page on the website, located under Support and Knowledge in the main menu. Thank you for choosing Polychrome Studios for all your DTF and printing needs.